I'm Seth Grenell from Grenell's Driving School, and today we want to discuss the topic of driving under the influence while operating a motor vehicle. Now, some people call that impaired driving within defensive driving, but to simplify it, we have alcohol and we have drugs, whether illegal or legal, and how can it impact us on our roadway? Now, the number one and first mental ability to be impacted by these substances is our judgment. And while we are driving on our roads, we know that our judgment is very important. Not only is our judgment impacted, but our coordination as well shall be diminished while we're under the influence of these substances. Now, we have all seen the walk the straight line used as a test. Some of us are aware of the breathalyzer, where we have to exhale to see if we're driving under the influence. But we all know, or if we don't, I shall remind us and inform us that we don't want to drink, consume these substances while we drive. We want to ensure that we do not give any leeway to not being in total control of our vehicle. These substances reduce our reaction time, our reflexes, our ability to ensure that we are aware of what is happening with us and around us on our road network. We might not know, but the roadway can change in an instant, and we need to ensure that we are 100% there to keep ourselves from harm, safe and alive. Read the labels. Some of these energy drinks also possess some alcoholic content and can impact us negatively. If I should leave us with one thing, is what we have all heard: don't drink and drive, because it can help us to stay alive.